Space launches have always captured our imagination, symbolizing humanity's drive to explore beyond our world. For decades, government agencies like NASA led the way, sending astronauts to the moon and probes to distant planets. But now, the landscape is changing. Private companies are taking the lead. SpaceX and others are launching their own ambitious projects, making space more accessible than ever. No longer just the domain of a few nations, private innovation is driving down costs and opening new possibilities for research, commerce, and even tourism. This is a pivotal moment, a new era defined by collaboration, competition, and a vibrant economy in orbit. The goal is shifting from visiting space to living and working there. Every successful launch and new technology is a building block for a permanent human presence beyond Earth. These efforts aren't just about profit. They're about expanding human potential and laying the groundwork for future generations. By building a sustainable ecosystem in space, private companies are setting the stage for settlements on other planets and scientific breakthroughs that could change life on Earth. The journey has just begun. On a clear Florida night, a SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket lit up the sky. On November 2, 2025, the Bandwagon 4 mission marked the 140th Falcon 9 launch that year, proof that spaceflight is becoming routine. The rocket carried a diverse collection of satellites to low Earth orbit, all sharing a single ride. SpaceX's rideshare program lets multiple customers book a spot for their payload, making launches affordable for smaller companies and nations. Bandwagon and transporter missions have revolutionized the satellite industry, enabling new technologies and business models. This launch wasn't just about numbers, it was about enabling innovation, from defense systems to weather forecasting. Each successful rideshare strengthens the new space ecosystem and encourages further investment. The careful deployment of 18 satellites demonstrated SpaceX's precision and reliability. For the customers, it was the culmination of years of work. And for the industry, another confident step into a future defined by commercial access to space. The star of Bandwagon 4 was Haven Demo, a Pathfinder satellite from vast space. Its mission tests the systems needed for a future private space station. Haven Demo is packed with advanced tech, propulsion, flight computers, navigation, all being proven in the harsh environment of space. Real-world data from orbit is essential. Ground tests can't replicate the challenges of space. This test will refine designs for a full-scale station, making it safer and more reliable for future astronauts. The success of Haven Demo will determine when vast space moves forward with its ambitious plans. Every bit of data sent back is a clue for engineers, helping them improve and innovate. Haven Demo is the scout, paving the way for a new human outpost in the cosmos. It's a high-stakes test flight carrying the hopes of the company and the future of private space habitats. Haven Demo's ultimate goal is Haven 1, a fully private, independent space station. Vast Space aims to launch Haven 1 as early as 2026, supporting up to 4 astronauts at a time. This would be a game-changer, offering a destination for agencies, researchers, and even tourists. Haven 1 is designed as a single, self-contained module, launched on a Falcon Heavy and ready for its first crew. The first mission, VAST 1, will send 4 astronauts for a 30-day stay. As the ISS nears retirement, private stations like Haven 1 will take the lead, creating new markets for research, manufacturing, and tourism. Haven 1 is more than a structure. It's proof that a commercial model for living and working in orbit is possible. A successful Haven 1 could inspire a wave of private stations, making space accessible to more countries and companies. Haven Demo was just one of 18 payloads on Bandwagon 4, highlighting the global nature of today's space industry. The first satellite deployed was for South Korea's Agency for Defense Development, part of a major surveillance project. ExoLaunch, a Berlin-based company, helped smaller operators get their satellites into space, democratizing access for new players. The manifest included satellites from Turkey's Fergani Space and Tomorrow companies, which is building a weather forecasting constellation. These ventures show how space assets can directly benefit life on Earth, from security to better weather predictions. Another payload, StarCloud, is exploring the idea of data centers in space, using the cold vacuum for efficient computing. The Bandwagon 4 mission was a snapshot of the global space economy, launching technologies that could shape our future. It's a testament to how commercial launches are enabling innovation worldwide. The real hero of Bandwagon 4 was the SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket, famous for its reliability and reusability. Reusing the first stage booster has slashed launch costs and made frequent missions possible. After launch, the booster performed a flawless landing at Cape Canaveral, its third successful flight. Each recovery validates SpaceX's economic model and enables rapid turnaround for new missions. This capability has allowed SpaceX to achieve an unprecedented launch cadence, serving both its own projects and global customers. Falcon 9's success has forced the entire industry to pursue reusability, driving innovation and competition. What was once groundbreaking is now routine boosters landing themselves, symbolizing a new era of sustainable spaceflight. SpaceX's relentless push has reshaped the aerospace industry and made space more accessible than ever. The launch of Haven Demo is more than a technical milestone, it's a glimpse of a future where low Earth orbit is bustling with activity. Private stations like Haven 1 will create new economies in orbit, from research labs to manufacturing centers. Microgravity enables breakthroughs in medicine and materials, while off-planet manufacturing could revolutionize industries on Earth. These stations could also serve as assembly points for missions to the Moon and Mars, making interplanetary travel more feasible. Space tourism is on the horizon, and as costs drop, more people will experience the awe of seeing Earth from above. The technologies developed for space often lead to innovations that improve life on Earth, from medical devices to water purification. The jobs and discoveries from this new space economy will benefit everyone. Haven Demo and Haven 1 aren't just about building stations, they're about building a better future for humanity, on Earth and beyond.